Hello, and welcome everyone to my channel today. We are going to show you how to combine the toolbar with the address bar in Naver Whale Browser on your mobile device, and I will guide you through every tap so you get the layout. First, open Naver Whale Browser on your phone. Once the browser is open, tap on the two-line menu icon. Next, from the menu that appears, tap on the Settings icon to open the browser settings. After that, find and tap on the Change Layout option. Now, you will see layout options for toolbars and address bar positions, so look for Combine Toolbar with Address Bar. Next, use the toggle to turn on Combine Toolbar with Address Bar, so that your toolbar and address bar are merged together. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel, give the video a like, and share it with others for more useful tips and tricks.